Your phone unlocks by looking at your face. Your camera blurs the background on a call. None of that waits for the cloud. It's AI running right on the device. That's Edge AI, also called on-device AI. Let's demystify it simply. Face unlock, background blur, hey, wake words, live captions. All of these are AI. But notice something. They work instantly, even in aeroplane mode. Because the thinking happens on the device itself, not in some far-off data center. So what is the edge? It simply means where the data is born. Your phone, your camera, your car, your watch, a factory sensor. The opposite of a distant cloud data center. Edge AI means running the model right there, at the source. For years, AI worked the other way round. Your device captured something, a photo, your voice, and shipped it off to a powerful computer in the cloud. The cloud did the thinking, then sent the answer back. Clever, but with a catch. Several catches, actually. That round trip takes time, so there's a lag. It uses data and bandwidth, which costs money. It needs a working connection, and your raw data, your face, your voice, has to leave your device, which raises privacy questions. Picture the difference. With Cloud AI, every request makes a round trip, out to the data center and back, so you wait and you need a signal. With Edge AI, the device decides on the spot. No trip, no waiting, no connection required. That's the whole idea of Edge AI. Bring the model to the data instead of sending the data to the model. The device does the thinking itself, right where things are happening. Here's Edge AI in action. A smart doorbell watches the door, and the little model inside decides on the spot whether it's seeing a person worth ringing you for or just a cat wandering past. One rings you, the other is ignored, and the video never leaves the doorbell. Why is this suddenly everywhere? Two things came together. AI models got small enough to run on a phone, and the chips inside our devices got clever with dedicated AI hardware. Small model, smart chip. Now real AI fits in your pocket. The payoff is big. Answers are instant because there's no round trip. It works offline with no signal needed. It's more private because your data never leaves the device. And it's cheaper because you're not paying to send everything to the cloud. Of course, there are trade-offs. A model small enough to run on a device can't match a giant cloud model's power. Devices have limited memory and battery, and updating the AI across millions of gadgets is harder than updating one in the cloud. So in practice, you often get the best of both. A small model on the device handles the fast, common, private tasks, and when something's genuinely hard, it hands off to a big model in the cloud. Fast and private by default. Powerful when it matters. Here's that teamwork. Simple, sensitive jobs, unlocking, wake words blur, stay on the device, and finish instantly. Only the heavy, complex requests make the trip to the cloud. You get speed and privacy for the everyday and full power when you really need it. You'll find Edge AI everywhere now. Phones, face unlock, and live translation. Doorbells and cameras, spotting a person versus a passing cat. Cars, driver assistants that can't wait for a signal. Factories, catching a defect on the line. And wearables, watching your heart in real time. In short, Edge AI runs the model on the device, where the data is born, instead of shipping everything to the cloud. That means instant, offline, private, and cheaper, often teamed up with the cloud for the really hard problems.